radiant and captivating, as if the world had stopped just for her. A handsome boy, his features a blend of youth and quiet strength, sits inside his small shop, the afternoon light casting a warm glow around him. His eyes, deep and expressive, are fixed on the world outside, where a prestigious school stands just across the street.
Hope he will notice my new outlook. Oh, he is so charming. I know he is looking at me.
So friends, once again, welcome to DeepMind AI. Hope you enjoy the tips. And now we are perfectly ready to create our own movie with the help of AI. So friends, without wasting time, so let's dive in and create our first movie with the help of AI. So friends, to create a movie, there will be 4 steps we have to follow. So first of all, the first step, we will be creating pictures. To create pictures and to get accurate results and consistency in our pictures, we will be using focus. After that, we will bring those pictures in live. We will make those pictures in video form. So third step, we will do lip sync. And for voiceover, we are going to use 11 labs. And we already have created dedicated video how to use 11 labs and Leonardo AI for picture creation. So please check our other previous channel so you will get help to create voices. So friends, let's dive in. Let's create our first movie scene. So in order to create pictures, all you have to do, you have to search defocus. By the way, you don't have to worry. I'll put this link in description so you can follow the link and you will get access to this page. And once you will be on focus page powered by AI, this is absolutely free of cost and there will be no hidden fee, no charges. You can create unlimited pictures with focus, and you can also do face swap with the help of focus, and this tool is absolutely free. So once you will be on this page, you have to click on connect. Once you will see the green tick sign, all you have to do, you have to click launch the interface defocus, and after that it will show you this pop-up message. All you have to do, run anywhere. And this process will take approximately 2 or 3 minutes. You have to wait for that because Google is trying to set up a separate server for us, so we will be able to use that interface in order to create pictures.
A few minutes later.
So once the server will be ready, you will see 2 types of links here. So you have to click on the second link. And now you will find interface like this. There are too many other platforms you can create pictures like Leonardo.ai, Midjourney, but I find the best is Focus. That's why I'm using Focus in order to create consistent pictures and to get the best result. So first of all, you have to create your actor and actresses. In order to get best result, you can simply ask ChatGPT to write a prompt in order to create characters. So I just simply ask ChatGPT gave me a prompt. So now I'm going to press that here so I can create my first model. So I have pasted the prompt here, and after that you may have to check the options. So you have to just click on advanced tab, and here you can select the aspect ratio, and here you can generate as many pictures as you want. So I'm going to create 5 pictures from this prompt. So all after that, once you set your setting, all you have to do, you have to just click on generate, and this will take approximately 1 or 2 minutes. Within 1 or 2 minutes, our pictures will be ready. Now you can see that accordingly our prompts, defocus is trying to generate pictures for us. And now you can see that Google has created 2 pictures, and it's in process. It's trying to complete our 7 pictures. Right now we will see the results of 2 pictures. Let's see the consistency in pictures quality. You can see that this is how amazingly Focus has generated pictures for us. And look at the model, look at the actress, everything is perfect. Her eyes, her hairs, and the dress, whatever we told Focus to do, it has accurately did everything. And now let's see the other pictures, and you can see both faces are same. It has created consistent characters for us as well. And this is the third pictures, and you can see still we are getting the same physical appearance from our model. Now Focus has created pictures for us. What we have to do, we have to download these pictures, and now we will bring these pictures into live. So in order to download the pictures, all we have to do, we have to click on the picture, and now you can see the sign for download here. Just click on that and it will be automatically downloaded. And now we will download the second picture as well. Once we're done with picture creation, and now the second thing, we are going to bring this picture in live. For that, we are going to use Runway ML. So I'll put the name and the link in description. So please check the description. You will get the link so you can directly access this page. So the runway ML interface will be like this. So as they have different options, and in future we will discover their more features as well. But now we are going to create a video from simple a picture. For that, you can see here we have option text image to video. Click here, and after that, all we have to do, we have to select the actor which we just have created with focus. And once you upload the picture, and you can select the duration for that, we are going to select 10 seconds for that. And after that, all you have to do, you have to click just generate option here. Let me show you. You can see the option generate button here. You have to click generate. Sometime it will not work with just one click. You have to keep click until it will be working. Now you can see that our picture is in queue, and Runway ML is trying to convert our picture into video, and it will take less than 1 minute, and within 1 minute our picture will be ready. Till that, we will create voice for this actress. For that, we are going to use 11 labs. Just click on 11 labs and you will find this link on top. Just click on that, and after that you have to log in with your Gmail. So once you open 11 labs, you will find interface like this. You have different option here. Right now we are going to create stage from simple text. So I'm going to paste the script here which I got from ChatGPT. Right now you have to select the voice. I'm going to select Carly, and you have option here. Just click on setting. You can increase and you can select the voices in different languages, more than 26 languages. I'm going to go with English right now. And here you have different options. You can increase the speed of voice, or you can decrease whatever you're comfortable with. You can go with that. Right now I'm going to keep everything default, and just I have to click on generate, so it will generate a voice for me from. Let's see what is the result we got from 11 labs.
Handsome boy, his features a blend of youth and quiet strength, sits inside his small shop, the afternoon light casting a warm glow around him. His eyes, deep and expressive, are fixed on the world outside, where a prestigious school stands just across the street.
We got the result what we were expecting. So once you get the result what you want, and you can do one thing, you can see the download option here. Just click and download the voice. In this way you can create the voiceover accordingly. Now we can see that Runway ML has converted the picture in video form as well. So now let's see the final result here. Now look at the result, and we get the best result from Runway ML. And now we have successfully converted our picture to video. Now what we can do lip sync as well, or we can add the voiceover we just had created with 11 labs. And sometimes we don't need voiceover, we can do organic lip sync as well. So Runway ML facilitates us, and we can also do lip sync here. So for that, you can see lip sync option here. Just click on that. And now Runway ML has detected her facial expression. We have to write the script. If we have audio form, we can upload that. And now we are going to write a small script here. So once we write our script, all we have to do, we have to click generate lips. And now you can see that the lip sync process is under queue. This will take a second, and our video will be ready after lip sync. Now we can see that the lip sync has been completed. Now we will see the final result.
Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Please tell me, how do I look today? Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Please tell me, how do I look today?
Hope you may amazed with this feature, because from simple picture we have created video, we do lip sync, and we also did voiceover as well. Now friends, in order to compile all these process, in order to make a movie, we have different softwares. We can put these scripts together, and we can create a beautiful story or movie. For that, we have different tools. Mostly I prefer Premiere Pro, but that is complicated one. I want you to do this kind of thing with simple fingertips. So for that, right now I'm going to for that, and for easiness, I'm going to use Canva Video Editor. So you will find the link in description again. Just click edit video. And once you will get interface like this, you have to upload your script, the video you just have created. I have just uploaded the audio from 11 labs, and I've already uploaded the videos here. And once you've done all of these, all you have to do, you have to drag the video and just click here. And you will see interface like this. And you can also add the boy, the actor. You can also add the actor. It's just, and you can also add the actor and check your voices if you have the same voices.
Silent conversation begins.
Now you have to upload the voiceover. Just do drag and drop here and set everything accordingly. Now once you finish with that, just click on download button here and just click on download. Now everything is perfectly ready. We have downloaded our first story, and let's watch and let's see the result.
Youthful beauty, a gorgeous schoolgirl, her hair flowing in the gentle breeze, her uniform perfectly tailored to her graceful figure. She stands outside the school gates, radiant and captivating, as if the world had stopped just for her. A handsome boy, his features a blend of youth and quiet strength, sits inside his small
So friends, hope you enjoyed this session. Now you can create your own story and you can create your own movie with the help of AI. Thank you so much for watching DeepMind AI. Please share, subscribe DeepMind AI.